Yes, today our team is at Ila Comprehensive Health Center, Ila, Delta State, for installation of a solar power system. We are here to power up the facility to ensure that they have a constant power supply. This is the panels. The system installation is on course. Yes, earthing is very essential to protect the integrity of your solar power system. So at KSL, we pay priority to ensuring that we have effective earthing to safeguard the installation. We usually ensure that we have an earth resistance of less than 5 ohms to safeguard the system from lightning and power spikes. The layout for the solar panel is being installed.